$49 a month. That's what I was paying just to show a cookie banner on 5 websites. And the worst part? Every time my traffic grew, my bill grew with it. If you're tired of cookie consent plugins that treat your success as a subscription opportunity, stay with me. This is Cookie Confirmer Pro, a WordPress plugin that gives you everything the big players offer without the monthly hostage situation. First up, the Auto Cookie Scanner. Click one button and Cookie Confirmer Pro crawls your entire website. It detects every cookie, every tracking script, every iframe, every pixel. Google Analytics? Found. Metapixel? Found. Hotjar, Clarity, HubSpot, TikTok. All automatically detected and categorized. No more manually hunting through your source code. No more guessing what's setting cookies. The scanner does it all in seconds. Here's where it gets serious. Cookie Confirmer Pro doesn't just show a pretty banner and hope for the best. It actually blocks tracking scripts until your visitor says yes. Watch this. Before consent, no Google Analytics code in the page source. After consent, it loads instantly. This is real GDPR compliance, not cosmetic compliance. Real blocking that would pass an audit. If you're running Google Ads in Europe, you need Consent Mode version 2. Google made it mandatory in March 2024. Cookie Confirmer Pro handles this automatically. It sends the right signals to Google: ad storage, analytics storage, ad personalization, all mapped to your consent categories. Your Google Ads keep working. Your compliance stays intact. Zero extra configuration. Not every visitor needs the same experience. With geo-targeting, Cookie Confirmer Pro detects where your visitors are coming from and shows them the right banner. Strict opt-in for EU visitors under GDPR. Opt-out option for California under CCPA. Different text for Brazil under LGPD. Or if you prefer, show the same banner to everyone. Your choice, your control. Ever wonder how many people actually accept your cookies? The built-in analytics dashboard shows you everything: accept rates, reject rates, custom selections, breakdown by country, breakdown by day. And when an auditor asks for proof of consent, one-click export to CSV. Every consent logged with timestamp, categories accepted, and regulation applied. And of course, you want the banner to match your brand. 3 layouts: bar, box, or modal. Multiple positions, custom colors, custom text. Show cookie details or keep it simple. Everything adjusts in real time. No coding required. Now let's talk about what makes this different from CookieBot or CookieYes. They charge per domain, per page view. They store your visitor data on their servers. And if their API goes down, your banner breaks. Cookie Confirmer Pro? One price. All data in your WordPress database. No external dependencies, no monthly fees, no usage limits. Your success should not be a recurring expense. Cookie Confirmer Pro. Auto scanning. Real script blocking. Google Consent Mode v2. Geo-targeting. Consent analytics. And a price that makes sense. Click the link below to get it now.